In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect FundedNext to MetaTrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to app.fundednext.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, you'll need to log into an account or create an account if you don't already have one. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll see all of your different accounts that you have purchased. And from here, you'll need to choose the account. As you can see over here by dashboard, then click here. And then under account details, there will be some information that you'll need to write down. The first one is the login page over here, and then the inventor password. From here, you'll also need to write down the server name called FundedNext.server. And from here, you'll need to go over to MetaTrader 5 trading platform and download it onto your PC or smartphone device. From here, it should look something like this. And here, you'll need to go over to File, and then down to login to trade account. And from here, it should look something like this. And here on login, you'll need to log in and use your login details over here that you can copy and then paste into MetaTrader 5. The same thing with password. That is the inventor password over here. You can copy it over here. And lastly, the server needs to match the FundedNext server over here. So you can just choose here and pop it down until you see FundedNext server. From here, you'll need to click OK, and then from here, you'll have successfully connected FundedNext account to your MetaTrader 5. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!